Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside Chrome, so open it and click the profile icon at the top right. Once done, choose the Google account or local profile you want to edit. This determines where the picture appears. Make sure sync is enabled if you want the new image across devices versus a local-only change. Now click Manage People or the profile settings link to access profile controls. This is the first actionable step, because the PFP option. Next, click Edit or the camera icon on the profile card to open image options. You can select a stock avatar from Google or pick Upload from device to use a custom photo. Choose the latter to fully personalize. When uploading, crop and adjust so the face or focal point sits center. Chrome uses a circular mask. Make sure the image is high enough resolution, since low-res images pixelate. Once satisfied, save and wait a few seconds for the change to propagate. Finally, save the change and refresh Chrome to confirm the profile picture updated. You should see it in the top right and on the new tab page. If you enabled sync, make sure other devices are online because propagation can take a few minutes. If the image fails to update, sign out and sign back in or clear the browser cache. This forces Chrome to fetch the latest profile data. If problems persist, try uploading a different image to rule out file-specific issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.